Hi guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investments. Let me open my real proper Nifty. So I wanted to give a quick market update on today. Yeah, so okay, then directly to my screen. MTF FNO. I have decided I am done with FNO. I am longer trading FNO. I made a quick small loss. However, I will continue shorting the fundamentally bad companies and fundamentally bad companies and MTF long, or I'll go long on good companies where there is good risk to reward ratio, or which is at a not of not from a spot portfolio. There's certain kind of company which I'm refrained from spot which I have refrained from my spot portfolio, but I will surely add them for swing for trading. There are some companies which I actually like, which I would be interested in for spot for swing trading. However, Nifty, this is a live market update. I'm sure I never did a live market update, but this is the live update market. And there is a new stock added to my shorting watch list, which is definitely RPSG Ventures, which I would be giving my analysis in this video. I fully closed down my MTF long on Nifty Bs. You know, we had a good day, and I would be getting 4,498 plus the capital along with it. Capital along with it. Oh, just okay. What happened? Capital along with it. And this is my intraday. This is my spot portfolio today. So I'm doing very good. I'm doing quite good. So what is causing the markets to go up? This is what Trump says. First of all, like I mentioned earlier, nothing from Trump's words. We have to follow the market. However, whatever Trump's word doesn't matter. He's just using to manipulate the market. However, Iran officials are also saying this time, like I said, we need to follow Iran's word when it comes to any form of ceasefire or Strait of Hormuz action. However, Iran agreed for ceasefire, but there is one guarantee. What happened? US is not agreed to guarantee. Will they strike back? And will they strike back US? And if US strike back, of course, Iran will also strike back. And yesterday, right when this happened, around 2 hours later, Iran says it will attack US tech from today. So around 15 lakh crore market cap, which is around 15 this overall companies are worth top US tech firm, Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Nvidia. They are worth about 15 trillion dollar market cap. If I just open Meta, let's see how Meta is doing. Just open my watch list. If you see, Meta is quite doing quite good today. It's also in the bounce because to the it is reacting to the news. However, I am still very crucial on holding. I could have held this Nifty beast long for another. I could have. No, where is that? Why do I keep doing this? Yeah, I could have held this Nifty B position for another day. However, seeing this passage of threat, what happens? US will not attack on Iran, and US will end war. I decided to close. If it is spot portfolio, I will not be exiting. I don't care about news about in my spot portfolio. I'll be investing, which I like, fundamentally strong company, of course, in my spot portfolio. I'll definitely, but swing, I want to be a bit more careful. What happen? Market goes against me tomorrow. So looks today, yeah, it looks as of right now. Nasdaq is open very strong. Nasdaq has opened very strong. Nasdaq has opened a very. Why the daily is not? Let's see, S&P 500. S&P 500 pre-market hasn't opened yet. Okay, so but if you look at individual companies, they are doing quite good. So this is uh, we don't know how true to this is, but we have to be careful because what happens, market goes against me tomorrow. And there is new watch list to my shorting put shorting watch list, that is RPSG Ventures. Let's do a bit of an analysis. If I can open it on overview, just open my overview. RPSG Ventures. Yes, RPSG Ventures. Straight away, you see revenue is cooking quarter after quarter, yearly also, but look at its profit. It is struggling to stay profitable. And if you look at its news, I recently saw some of its top officials. Uh, 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 it's just IPL auction gains. I don't know what it has to do with IPL franchise gains. Okay, and the top brokers and the promoters started to sell shares with no with RPSG, which is Sanjeev Gok's. He owns Lucknow Super Giant. How does an IPL auction gain lead to IPL franchise gain, lead to an increase in the market? Are they bringing that stupid sport cricket even into stock market? Oh my God! It has nothing. Most of this franchise owners use these teams for uh, uh, advantage. However, you see the profits. If you are doing this good gain, you should be either be doing this much. If you look over 5 years, pumped up. It is pumped up again. It's definitely on my shorting watch list. If you are doing this good, you must be producing great results. But this company is not producing that good of a great result. If you look at its balance sheet, it has total debt about 44,000 crores, 4,000 crores, almost 40 47,000 crore, and its assets only worth, tangible assets is only worth 2,000. And mind you, it has retail operation, lot of assets. And guess what, the cash equivalence is 950. How much they're paying in interest? Yes, how much they're paying in interest? It's only this 736, and the cash is only, so net is around almost around 230, 250. This is like not a good sign for company will not be able to grow unless they sell the shares or reduce the asset of the company. They wouldn't, then only they can get a good gain. Looks like it has good. That is what they are going to be doing, similar to what GameStop has done to get some cash balances, selling the asset at top. But definitely in my shorting watch list, I have added it to my watch list for tomorrow and few other companies which I'll be adding. I recording this a video a bit early because I have to be heading out soon. Today's Monday, Thursday, so I have to be heading out soon. So to church, so I recorded a bit earlier and I'm starting my pre-market analysis. So yeah, we'll see how market is going. I'll be checking the updates on Gift Nifty through my phone. Through my phone, crude oil is also crashing down a bit, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, and another thing which I wanted to highlight was this is company is struggling to stay profitable, and this company was there for very long time. I remember Spencer Supermarket, which if you're from Bangalore you would know this, is also under this. No. So this was there for a long time and is still struggling to stay profitable. So definitely on my watch list for tomorrow. So shorting, if market everything is smooth tomorrow, everything is smooth tomorrow, we will see how market will do. If everything is smooth tomorrow, so I'll be marking my alerts for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.